Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cassie and Family. In today's episode, the crispiest potato pancakes you have ever eaten. And can you believe these are just 5-ingredient pancakes? Yes, 5 ingredients you already have at home. There are many ways to make this, but I like to make mine like. To make this dish, you will need any potato. I'll be using golden potatoes. This is what I had on hand, but sweet, russet, golden, yellow, any potatoes will do. Half cup of all-purpose flour. Remember to adjust your measurements depending on your potato count. 1 tablespoon of oil. Any oil will do. This next ingredient is optional. I will be grating and adding in some pepper jack cheese. You don't need to use this. I find that the flavor complements this dish. This recipe does not call for cheese. 1 cup of water. Complete seasoning blend. This one is my favorite. Salt and pepper works perfectly too. Adjust everything to the quantity you are using. Using the large holes on your grater, grate your potatoes. Then we'll want to remove some starch from the potatoes. Removing the starch from the potatoes will help them have those crispy edges while keeping the inside of the pancakes very soft. To do this, you can use a mesh strainer. A cheesecloth works best. I didn't have a cheesecloth, so I used my mesh strainer. After, pat the potatoes dry using a paper towel. If you have made it this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe for more 5-ingredient videos just like this one. This next part is optional. You'll want to mix in the pepper jack cheese or any other cheese that you are using. Add in your seasoning. I threw in some red pepper flakes for more flavor. Also optional. Include your flour. Mix all of your dry ingredients before adding water. Slowly add in the water. Continue to mix at the same time. Do this slowly to determine the thickness of your pancakes. More water equals thinner pancakes. From here, coat your pan with oil. Simply add in your pancakes. You can make minis or 1 large pancake. Today, I'll be doing the minis. Either way, results are the same. Only adjust cooking time. Once the edges are brown, flip pancakes to cook on the other side. From here, there are 2 options. You can cook each pancake thoroughly for 5 minutes. 1 large pancake equals 10 minutes or until fully cooked. My favorite option and the one I'm choosing today, remove your pancakes from the pan. Add them to your air fryer to finish cooking for the additional 5 minutes. To me, this option gives the best results. For some reason, the air fryer gives such an even cook to these pancakes. Crispy outside while the inside is nice and moist and fluffy. And that is a job done. This is how you make the easiest 5-ingredient potato pancake. If you enjoyed today's video, please let me know down below in the comments. A huge thank you to you for sticking all the way through the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more 5-ingredient recipes like this one. And as always, I thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.